Hello, everyone, and welcome to Speak English Daily podcast. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us on Speak English Daily podcast, where we help you learn English step by step.
Today's episode is called English in Daily Life. Talk about your day in English.
This episode is perfect for A1 and A2 beginner English learners.
If you want to practice daily English speaking, improve basic English conversation, and feel confident talking about your routine, this episode is for you.
We will help you learn simple English sentences, daily life vocabulary, and easy English speaking patterns.
You will hear clear examples of how to talk about your day in English from morning to night.
You can listen, repeat, and practice speaking English with us.
This podcast is designed for English speaking practice for beginners, daily English conversation, and spoken English improvement.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's start learning English together.
Part 1. Talking about your morning.
Let's begin with the morning. The morning is an important part of our daily life.
When you talk about your day in English, you usually start with the morning.
In simple English, you can start by saying, I wake up at 6 in the morning.
This sentence is very common in daily English speaking practice.
You can also say, I wake up early, or I wake up late,
For example, I wake up early on weekdays.
or I wake up late on Sunday.
After waking up, many people say, I brush my teeth.
Yes, brushing your teeth is part of your daily routine in English.
You can say, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Another common sentence is, I take a shower in the morning.
This is very useful English vocabulary for daily life.
After that, you might say, I get dressed.
Or, I change my clothes.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
You can say, I have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Or, I eat breakfast with my family. Simple foods are easy to talk about in English.
For example, I eat eggs and toast.
Or, I drink tea in the morning.
You can also say, I drink coffee every morning.
Talking about food helps improve spoken English for beginners.
After breakfast, many people prepare for work or school.
You can say, I go to work, or I go to school.
If you work from home, you can say, I work from home.
These are very common English sentences for daily life.
Part 2. Going to work or school.
Now let's talk about going out in the morning.
You can say, I leave home at 8 o'clock.
Or, I leave my house at 9.
Transportation is an important topic in daily English conversation.
You can say, I go to work by bus.
Or, I go to school by train.
Some people say, I walk to work.
Others say, I ride a bicycle.
All of these are useful English-speaking practice sentences.
While traveling, you might say, the traffic is heavy.
Or, the road is busy.
If the journey is easy, you can say, the ride is short.
Or, the journey is comfortable.
These words help you describe your day clearly in English.
Part 3. Talking about your work or school life.
Now let's talk about what you do at work or school.
You can start with, I start work at 9.
Or, my classes start at 10.
Simple time expressions are important for basic English speaking.
At work, you can say, I work on my computer.
Or, I answer emails.
If you study, you can say, I attend classes.
Or, I listen to my teacher.
You can also say, I take notes.
At school or work, breaks are important.
You can say, I take a short break.
Or, I have a lunch break.
Part 4. Talking about lunchtime.
Now let's talk about lunch.
Lunch is usually in the afternoon.
You can say, I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Or, I eat lunch with my colleagues.
If you are a student, you can say, I eat lunch with my friends.
Food vocabulary helps you improve daily spoken English.
You can say, I eat rice and vegetables.
Or, I eat a sandwich.
You can also say, I drink water with my lunch. After lunch, many people feel tired.
You can say, I feel sleepy after lunch.
This is a very natural English sentence.
Part 5. Afternoon activities.
Let's move to the afternoon.
In the afternoon, you can say, I go back to work.
Or, I continue my classes.
You might say, I have meetings.
Or, I do my homework.
If your day is busy, you can say, I have a busy afternoon.
If it is calm, you can say, the afternoon is quiet.
Describing feelings is part of English daily life conversation.
Part 6. Evening routine.
Now let's talk about the evening.
In the evening, many people finish work.
You can say, I finish work at 6.
Or, I come home in the evening.
After coming home, you might say, I relax.
Or, I take some rest.
You can also talk about activities.
For example, I watch TV.
Or, I listen to music.
You might say, I spend time with my family.
Or, I talk to my friends.
Part 7. Dinner and nighttime.
Now let's talk about dinner.
Dinner is usually in the evening.
You can say, I have dinner at 8.
Or, I eat dinner with my family.
After dinner, you can say, I wash the dishes.
Or, I clean the kitchen. Before sleeping, many people relax.
You can say, I read a book.
Or, I use my phone.
Finally, you can say, I go to bed at 10.
Or, I sleep early.
Part 8. Full day sample speaking practice.
Now let's put everything together.
Listen to this full day example.
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I have breakfast and drink tea.
I go to work by bus.
I start work at 9.
I have lunch at 1.
I finish work at 6.
I have dinner and relax.
I go to bed at night.
Part 9. Daily English speaking tips for beginners.
Practice speaking English every day.
Use simple sentences.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn English.
Repeat daily life sentences again and again.
This improves English fluency for beginners.
Part 10. Talking about your day with feelings.
Now let's learn how to talk about your day with feelings.
Talking about feelings makes your English sound more natural.
You can use very simple feeling words.
For example, I feel happy today.
Or, I feel tired after work.
These sentences are very common in daily English conversation.
You can also say, I feel busy today.
Or, I feel relaxed in the evening.
If your day is not good, you can say, I feel stressed.
Or, I feel sad today.
Do not worry. Simple feeling words are perfect for beginners.
This helps improve spoken English for daily life.
Part 12. Talking about your day with weather.
Now let's talk about the weather.
Weather is an easy and useful topic in English.
You can say, today is sunny.
Or, today is cloudy.
If it rains, you can say, it is raining today.
Weather can change your day. For example, it is hot, so I feel tired.
Or, it is cold, so I wear a jacket.
These sentences are useful for basic English speaking practice.
Part 12. Talking about your day at home.
Now let's talk about what you do at home.
Many people spend time at home every day.
You can say, I clean my room.
Or, I cook food.
Simple house activities are easy to talk about in English.
You can say, I wash clothes.
Or, I make tea.
Talking about home life helps improve daily English vocabulary.
Part 13. Talking about free time and hobbies.
Now let's talk about free time.
Free time means time when you relax.
You can say, I watch TV in my free time.
Or, I use my phone.
You can also say, I listen to music.
Or, I play games.
If you like reading, say, I read books.
Talking about hobbies improves English speaking confidence.
Part 14. Talking about people in your day.
Now, let's talk about people you meet.
You can say, I meet my friends.
Or, I talk to my family.
If you meet people at work, say, I talk to my coworkers.
Or, I meet my boss.
These are common daily life English sentences.
Part 15. Using time words in daily English.
Time words are very important in English.
They help you explain your day clearly.
You can say, in the morning.
Or, in the afternoon.
You can also say, in the evening.
And at night.
Using time words improves English fluency for beginners.
Now let's practice together.
Please repeat after us.
I wake up early.
I have breakfast.
I go to work.
I have lunch.
I come home.
I relax in the evening.
I go to bed.
Great job. Keep practicing every day.
Sometimes your day is busy.
You can say, I have a busy day.
Or, I have a lot of work.
You can also say, I am very tired today.
These sentences are natural spoken English phrases. Now let's talk about a good day.
You can say, I have a good day.
Or, today is a nice day.
You can also say, I feel happy today.
This helps you express positive feelings in English.
I wake up early in the morning.
I eat breakfast and go to work.
I work in the afternoon.
I come home in the evening.
I have dinner and relax.
I go to bed at night. Now let's talk about a normal day. A normal day means a usual day.
You can say, today is a normal day.
Or, I have a normal day today.
This sentence is very easy for beginner English speaking practice.
You can also say, nothing special happens today.
Or, my day is simple and calm.
These sentences help you sound natural in daily life English. People often ask, how was your day?
This is a very common English question.
You can answer with short and simple sentences.
For example, my day was good.
Or, my day was busy. You can also say, my day was okay.
If you feel tired, say, my day was tiring.
These answers are perfect for spoken English for beginners. Now let's add small details to your day.
Small details make your English better.
You can say, I wake up early today.
Or, I wake up late today.
You can say, I eat breakfast at home.
Or, I eat breakfast outside.
Adding details helps improve English fluency in daily life. Now let's talk about places you go.
You can say, I go to the office.
Or, I go to school.
You can also say, I go to the market.
Or, I go to the park.
These are common places in daily English conversation.
Now let's talk about thinking and feeling.
You can say, I think about my work.
Or, I think about my family. You can also say, I feel relaxed.
Or, I feel worried.
Talking about thoughts improves spoken English confidence. Daily chores are daily home jobs.
You can say, I clean my house.
Or, I wash dishes. You can say, I cook dinner.
Or, I make tea.
These sentences are useful for daily routine English. Now let's learn order words.
Order words help you tell your day step by step.
You can say, first, I wake up.
Then, I brush my teeth.
After that, I have breakfast.
Finally, I go to work.
These words make your English clear and natural. Now listen to this longer example.
First, I wake up early.
Then, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
After that, I eat breakfast.
I go to work by bus.
I work in the afternoon.
I come home in the evening.
I eat dinner and relax.
I go to bed at night. Now imagine you are on the phone.
You can say, hello, how are you?
Then say, my day is good.
Or, my day is busy.
You can also say, I am tired today. This is real daily spoken English practice. Talking about yourself is important.
You can say, I am busy today.
Or, I am free today.
You can say, I work today.
Or, I rest today.
These sentences are very useful for beginners.
You can use the word today often.
For example, today I wake up early.
Today I go to work.
Today I feel happy.
Using today is very common in English. Repeat after us slowly.
My day is good.
I wake up early.
I work all day.
I feel tired.
I relax at night.
Excellent. Keep speaking. Learning English takes time.
Do not feel nervous.
Speaking every day helps you improve.
Small sentences are okay.
Practice daily life English again and again.
You are doing great.
Now let's talk about a slow day.
A slow day means not busy.
You can say, today is a slow day.
Or, my day is slow and calm.
This is very useful in daily English speaking practice. You can also say, I do not have much work.
Or, I relax most of the day.
Now let's talk about a very busy day.
You can say, today is very busy.
Or, I have many things to do.
You can say, I work all day.
Or, I feel very tired today. These sentences are common in spoken English for daily life. Rest is important after work.
You can say, I take some rest.
Or, I relax at home.
You can say, I sit and rest.
Or, I listen to music to relax. This helps express feelings in basic English conversation. Many people watch TV every day.
You can say, I watch TV in the evening.
Or, I watch videos on my phone.
You can say, I watch news.
Or, I watch movies. These are useful daily life English sentences. Now let's talk about drinks in your day.
You can say, I drink water.
Or, I drink tea.
You can say, I drink coffee.
Or, I drink juice. Talking about drinks is easy English speaking practice for beginners. Meeting people is part of daily life.
You can say, I meet my friend.
Or, I meet my family.
You can say, I talk to my neighbor.
Or, I talk to my coworker. These sentences help in daily spoken English. Sometimes you go out in the evening.
You can say, I go out in the evening.
Or, I go to the market.
You can say, I go for a walk.
Or, I go shopping. These are common daily English expressions. Now let's talk about nighttime.
You can say, it is night now.
Or, I feel sleepy.
You can say, I turn off the lights.
Or, I go to sleep. These sentences are very natural in daily English conversation. Now listen to a simple daily routine story.
I wake up early.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I come home.
I eat dinner.
I sleep at night. This is perfect English speaking practice. Now you can think about your day at night.
You can say, I think about my day.
Or, I remember my work.
You can say, my day is good.
Or, my day is long.
This helps learners express thoughts in English.
Now let's use the words every day in English.
You can say, I work every day.
Or, I study English every day.
You can say, I wake up early every day.
Using every day is very common in English. Repeat after us slowly.
My day is good.
I wake up early.
I work all day.
I feel tired.
I relax at night.
Excellent. Keep speaking. Now let's talk about a happy day.
You can say, today is a happy day.
Or, today is a good day.
You can say, I smile a lot today.
These sentences help express happiness in English. Now let's practice questions. Question: How is your day?
Answer: My day is good.
Question: Are you busy today?
Answer: Yes, I am busy.
This is great daily English conversation practice.
Thank you for listening to Speak English Daily podcast.
This long episode helps you talk about your day in English.
Practice one part every day.
Slow practice brings big improvement.
See you again very soon.
Keep learning and keep speaking English daily.